Before you use Dobly, pause for a second, because most people assume car title loans are quick cash without consequences. The surprising truth is that Dobly is different. It focuses on helping people get title loans safely while understanding the costs involved. Dobly is an online platform that connects users with lenders to secure car title loans. You won't believe what happens next when people realize Dobly doesn't just push loans. It walks you through the process, helps calculate fees, and shows the repayment terms clearly. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They think all title loan companies are predatory. Dobly is upfront about interest rates, monthly payments, and total costs. It also offers customer support to answer questions about eligibility and paperwork. To use Dobly, you start by entering your vehicle and personal details on their website. The platform checks for loan options from partnered lenders. Once you select a loan, Dobly helps with the digital application and guides you on submitting your car title as collateral. The downside is that title loans are still high-interest loans. They can be helpful in emergencies, but missing payments could risk your vehicle. Always calculate affordability before proceeding. The surprising truth about Dobly is that it makes a risky financial product safer and more transparent, but responsibility still rests with the borrower. If this honest review helped you understand title loans better, subscribe for more financial platform insights before you borrow.